Look at the camera. Describe what you're doing.
We're just pushing the girls up the hill and letting them roll back to us.
Odie would probably not approve of this activity.
2. Oh, big sketch. 3. One, 2, 3.
Whee! Okay, stop. We have Abigail, McKenna, and Faye. Woo woo, Faye. Okay, one more time and then we go inside. We go.
1, 2, 3.
Yay, Daddy.
Way to go, McKenna.
That was fun. Say bye-bye.